Exploring the Gallery of Thoughts, a journey into language. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase, gallery of thoughts. This expression paints a vivid picture with words, inviting us to explore the landscapes of our mind. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means and how it can enhance your English language skills, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together. Gallery of thoughts is not a phrase you'll find in everyday conversation, but it's rich with imagery and meaning. At its core, this expression likens the mind to a gallery, a place where art is displayed. Instead of paintings or sculptures, this gallery showcases thoughts, ideas, and memories. Each thought can be viewed as a piece of art, unique and worth contemplation. Language is not just about conveying information. It's about creating images and emotions in the mind of the listener or reader. The use of imagery, like in Gallery of Thoughts, enriches communication. It makes the abstract tangible, helping us to visualize concepts and connect emotionally with the message. This technique is powerful in storytelling, poetry, and even in everyday conversation to make an impact. Incorporating Gallery of Thoughts into your language can add depth to your conversations and writings. Here are a few ways to use it. Describing the mind's complexity. When discussing the complexity and richness of one's internal life, you might say, "My mind is a gallery of thoughts, each one painting a different aspect of my experience." Expressing creativity. In creative contexts, you might use it to express the breadth of your inspiration. As an artist, I wander through the gallery of my thoughts, choosing the ones that spark my creativity. In reflective writing, it can also be a powerful metaphor in journals or blogs, inviting readers into your internal world. We hope this exploration of Gallery of Thoughts has opened up new avenues for you to express your inner world and has enriched your understanding of the English language. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the worlds we can create with them. May you find joy in constructing your own galleries of thought and sharing them with others. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic adventure.